Hey guys, this is the first lesson in creating the web page, and this is the first task where we are adding a background to the web page. Now let's see the skill focus. First, we are creating a folder with our name in documents or on the desktop. This is the first one. Now the second one, adding the background, because we're going to put our HTML and CSS files. Along with that, we're going to put our pictures, the background pictures, what we take from Google, in the folder. This is my background. You see how beautiful it is, right? Now we're going to create the same like this one for us. Let's go. So here you're on the desktop. Now you can just go down to left. There is a search. To go to the documents, we have to type in there this PC, because for some desktops you have the icon, folder icons readily available on the desktop, else if it's not there, you can just go through these steps. So here type in this PC and come here. You can see the icon of this PC. You see here in this folder list you have documents here. Else even from this you can select documents here. Now I can just go for anything, so I am selecting this. Just double click that. You are here in documents. This area is for all the documents, what you want to keep your files, other small folders, subfolders we call them. So we can store them here, so it will be safe here. Now it's very simple to create a folder. What you can do, just you see one here, new folder icon on the top left corner. You can just click there and you will get a new folder added in your documents, and you can just change the name of it. You can change the name to your name underscore. For underscore, shift the hyphen you have to press. Shift and hyphen you have to press. That's next to 0. Hyphen is next to 0. Okay, so hold down the shift key, then press hyphen, the key which is next to 0. Then according to your grade, 8G 1 2 whatever, just enter there and just click outside. So your folder is created. This is one way to create a folder from the new folder icon. We have another way as well. Just simply right click in the area, in the empty space, right click and go down to new option. This is new option, and from there come to the top. This is folder icon. You can see there folder icon. Select it. Again you will get the new folder added here, and you will type in your name there. As per this way, the format, you have to type in your name. So this is the way we can create our own folder, because we have to put a lot of files in the folder. Now I have already created one folder here. I just open by double clicking it. Just click 2 times fast. My folder is empty because I'm going to create and put the files here. Now let's start. Open Expression Web here. Now this is the first file going to the folder from here, untitled.html. If you don't have such, you can get from here, from the corner, you see there, new file icon, just like a document icon, new document. One way to get a new HTML document, or just go to the file here, click there, and you can just click in there, new, and here, sorry, so here what you get, HTML, you have to select. What's that? HTML, you have to select. So we have two ways to select a new HTML document. One is to file new HTML, or directly here on this toolbar you have the icon new document. If you don't have this already, which is the one I have it, okay, for some you might not be having it, you can get it easily by click this one or just going to this. Hope this is clear. Now let's save this. Right click, save, and you will select your folder to save it in, and we give a name like here, save as dialog. Open that. I have to go to my folder. Can you see here the folder? Just double click and now you're in. Here from default, change the name to my first web page. .html, do not touch it, just leave it just like that. And what you have to change the name to, my first web page. Save. Now you can see the name, my first web page. And if I want to show you my folder, what's in my folder, look at this. This is my folder and this is my first web page file here. Done. Now come back here. The next step, we have to select or search for a large picture to put it here as a background. We have to create to download a very large picture. From here you have to type in background pictures, and that to be JPG files only. For that you have to take JPG background pictures. Look at that, JPG background pictures, and search. Now one more step you have to do, select images, then come to tools. Here there is an option, tools, to select large pictures. Come here, there is a size, and here select large. Now these all are very large pictures. The size we can check by selecting it like this, and you see in the corner, right corner, the size of it. Make sure you are taking more than 2000 pixels each. Okay, so I have to go for another picture. It is less. Can you look at this? Yes, it's a very large picture, like 6000 above. Yes, I'm gonna select it, right click, save image as, and you have to let it save in your folder, and make sure you're saving it JPG image. I'm not changing the name of it as it is, just click save. Okay, so my background picture is ready. I'm going to use this one. Okay, do not take any other types of pictures. Only JPG works. Now let's come to our expression web. Let's try to add the background here. Right click, page properties, go to formatting, here formatting tab. Now you can see that background, so check that background picture. Now if you come towards the right, there is browse. Click to browse for the background picture that we saved in our folder. Yeah, this is my background picture. Select open. Okay. You see that it's added, but it's not that much clearly seen. If you want to see this in web browser, for that, here, File, Preview in browser, and select Chrome. See here, Chrome. It will open in the Chrome browser. You see here another tab, My Pictures, and here is my web page. I'm gonna change the name to my web page. This title I'm gonna give. Now we're gonna do work with this. Come back here. Once save, click save there. Now open code. Look at that. Open code. Yep, this is the code behind our design. You see here, Untitled 1 is the title of the web page. You see in the corner on the top. Yep, change that to My First Web Page. Click in there and just type in there. And now save it. You see here on the top, the name of my web page came up there. If you want to see that in web browser, come here. Still you see here, it seems Untitled web page. Now I will refresh it. Look at that. Now my web page got a name. Done. Perfect. Now let's come back to design. See, it's looking so blur and the whole picture is not clear. To make it a natural picture, what we downloaded from the internet to look the same, I have to create one CSS file. Let me create CSS file. For that, you can go to File, New. Here you see CSS. Another new file. This creates its look and feel of the web page. Now, as it is, we are going to save this. Right? Okay, how do we save it? Right click, save. and leave the extension of the file. Again, same name, my first web page .css. Make sure you're saving in the same folder. Now you see the name of CSS file. Let me show you what I have in my folder now. There are 3 files in my folder. Now let's come back. How to make this CSS file work for us. This web page background, you see, that is inside body tag, BODY, body tag. So we're going to create a new style in this CSS. Now click here, new style. I clicked new style. Yes. Here in new style, type in body and click outside. We are in body tag. Now select background. Select background. Here, come to the third one, background repeat. We have to say no repeat. Background attachment. We have to say fixed. Now come down here, background size X. Give there 100%. Horizontally it fills up 100% in the sense. Even vertically we're going to fill it 100%. This is Wi-Fi vertically filling up the screen. And here again percent. That's it. These are the styles we're going to set to see natural look of our background picture. Then let's say apply, then OK. You see here your background, your CSS got these styles added. Now click save there once. Now next step we have to attach this style sheet to our web page. You see here, you know how was our web page. Look at that. It's not clear at all, right? This is not the web page background picture I downloaded. Doesn't look so. So we have to make it look the natural picture. For that, we have to attach this web page CSS file to the web page. Let's do that. Select the HTML document, open it. Now straight come down here towards your right. Can you see here attach style sheet? Select it. You see here in this, select browse. Now this is my CSS document, the one just now I created in my folder. Select open. It's going to be added when I click OK. Done. Just save it once. Now let's go back to our web browser's web page. Here we are. Then refresh it. Okay. This is looking